Applus is a multinational partner in the renewable sector, combining expert knowledge with cutting-edge technology. We deliver top-tier services to investors, owners, developers, and wind turbine manufacturers at every stage of wind farm projects. Barlovento A+ and Enertis A+ specialized teams provide high-value consulting and engineering, specialized testing, and quality control services for wind projects. From wind resource measurement campaigns or technical due diligence for financing and M&A transactions, we focus on ensuring the financial viability of your investments. With our comprehensive owner's engineering services, we guarantee that your projects meet quality standards. We also offer quality control services for wind project components, maintaining independence from manufacturers. Throughout the development and operation phases, we prioritize optimal performance. With our wind turbine testing laboratory, we perform a variety of tests in accordance with global standards, such as power performance testing in onshore and offshore wind farms and acoustic noise measurements. Our laboratory also performs grid integration studies and grid code connection compliance tests. Our comprehensive service portfolio also encompasses environmental monitoring and health and safety coordination. We also conduct civil, electrical, and mechanical testing, including conventional and advanced non-destructive testing. In line with our commitment to R&D, we developed the IWEX technology for quality control during manufacturing of wind power system components. IWEX enables advanced ultrasonic welds inspection, allowing locating and sizing defects with great accuracy. We also develop software solutions for streamlined project management, such as Traza. Contact us today to find out how we can provide solutions to your specific needs.